so that you can't go out, huh? But you look cute. Good. Sit down. Thank you. Good. Sit down. So, do you remember what we studied in the last sessions? Yes. V, not wa. Somebody said wa. V. Yes, V. Very good. V was the sound we studied in the last session. So, do you remember the symbols? E. U. Wa. B. Yes. So, these we have alphabet letters, right? So, there is a chance that you get confused with it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, there is a chance that you get confused with this and the sound symbol, whether it's a sound symbol or it's an alphabet letter. So we'll do one thing. We'll give 2 lines and take it inside. Okay? Put 2 lines, 2 lines. So if you see the 2 lines, it's the sound symbol, not the alphabet letter. Okay? If you see the 2 lines and a letter inside, then it's a sound, not the alphabet letter. Okay? We'll do it that way. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Actually, it's like when we see a transcription, it will be like apple. And how does it sound? It will be in this 2 lines. Okay? It will be written in this 2 lines. So the whole thing is the sound, not just the single letter. So what we are going to do is, we are studying only single sounds, right? One day, one sound. So one day, one sound will be in 2 lines. Okay? And this is the sound for today. What is this sound? What is this sound? N. Yes, it's right. N is the sound. And N is the sound for today. N is the sound for today. N is the sound for today. So, examples. When the N sound comes at the beginning, when the N sound comes at the beginning, it's like name. N came in the beginning, right? And see, these are the letters. I didn't put the 2 lines for the letters, and I put only the lines for the sound. So you can distinguish what is letters and what is the sound. And another word with the N sound is no. N sound. Now, moving on to the N sound at the end. Examples for N sound at the end. Begin. Begin. N at the end. And we'll go with can. Can. N sound at the end. Now, the next option. N sound in between. N sound in between. Yes, in between. Let's see the words with N sound in between. Many. 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 Then enough. N sound in the middle. N sound in the middle. N sound in the middle. So now, please These are some examples. These are some examples. And what we are going to do is, as we did in the last sessions, I'll be calling you one by one and you have to give me the words. Ready?
Ready.
Ashir, smile. Yes. Okay. He was not smiling, you know. Reza, where are you? Reza. Dean, sit down. Yes. Juvak, your video is off. Juwana, Shamin, your video is off. Yes. Okay. Now, everyone get ready. Everybody get ready with the N sound words. Get ready with the N sound words. I'll be calling you one by one. So Friday when you come, please get ready with the rough book. We'll write it, okay? We'll write some of the words and the sounds. Now, let me start with Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu. Needle. Nail. Okay, very good. Very good, Abhimanyu. Moving on to Abel Soni. Please unmute Abel. Abel.
Yes, Lori.
Yes. Yes, give me a word that have the sound N. Yes, now you have to say the word, any word. Abel, this is the chance for Abel. Everyone else, please keep muted. Abel, unmute and give me a word. Do you need time, Abel? You want time, Abel?
9.
9. It's not 9, it's 9. Say 9. 9.
9.
Yes. We have two N sound in that, right? 9. N. N.
9.
Yes?
9.
Yes. Well done. Moving on to Amy. Unmute. And give me a word, Amy.
Nice.
Ellen Keen and Alfie Keen, get ready, okay? Yes, Amy?
Nice.
Nice. Very nice, Amy. Very nice. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done. Moving on to Ellen Keen and Alfie Keen. Please unmute.
Neck.
Neck. Who is this? Ellen and Alfie? Alfie. Now, Ellen. Now, Ellen, give me a word, Ellen.
Nice.
Nice. Very good. Very good, Ellen and Alfie. Very good. Moving on to Chelsea. Please unmute and give me a word, Chelsea. Can. Very good.
Yes.
Very good, Chelsea. Can. Well done. Now, Dean, unmute and give me a word.
Woman.
Dean. Huh? Woman.
Yes.
Woman. Well done, Dean. Very good. Now, moving on to Devna.
Rainbow.
Yes, my dear.
Rainbow.
Yes. Stand up, Devna. Yes.
Rainbow.
Well done. Do you know the spelling of rainbow? Do you know the spelling of rainbow? No. No. You want to know? You want to know? Devna. Devna, dear. Oh, your video is stuck. Yes. Do you want to know the spelling of rainbow? Yes. So, sit down, Devna. Sit down. Yes. Yes, somebody's calling me. Yes. Excused. Yes. Jovak, what happened? Yes. So you don't know the spelling, right? That's okay. That's okay. You don't have to know it right now. You'll study it. Okay. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain and bow. B-O-W. Rainbow. 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 Now moving on to Emmanuel. Please unmute. Emmanuel.
No.
Sorry?
No, ma'am. Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano.
Volcano.
Yes, very good. Volcano. Well done. Moving on to Inaya.
Unicorn.
Ah, unicorn. Do you know something? Yes. Where is it? Okay. Say once again.
Unicorn.
Okay. Now, when the video comes, just check it. Okay. When you're sitting over there, it seems like the unicorn is coming. It shows something like that. Okay. And how many unique n sound is there in unicorn, dear? How many n sound is there in unicorn? Two. Well done. Moving on with Jake Sebi, please unmute. Jake. Jake, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me a word that have the sound n.
None.
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 You mean N-U-N or N-O-N-E? None. Which none, my dear?
None.
Okay, wait. Let me take the screen. Yes. N-U-N, none. Very good, very good. So how many n are there in the none? How many n? Two. Very good. Very good. None. Well done, Jake. Moving on to Joseph. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Joseph, give me a word that have the sound n in it. M and n. Man. Very good, Joseph. Very good.
Thank you.
M and man. Well done. Now, moving with Madhav Krishna, please unmute. Madhav? Madhav, I can't hear you. Where's Madhav? Madhav, I can't see you and your sound is so much disturbed. Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, give me a word. Sorry? Ginger. Well done. Ginger. Very good. Ginger. Very good. John Paul, please keep muted. John Paul, please keep muted. Now, Ashir. Ashir, unmute.
Nothing. Nothing.
You're saying nothing, or is the word nothing?
One.
You're saying the word?
Leg.
Word. What do you mean by nothing? Nothing. Nothing. Yes, Ashir? Nothing. Yes. When I called Asher, Asher, say the word. Nothing. Nothing. Well done, my dear. Well done. Very good. Sriram, keep muted. Nothing. And in nothing, again, we have two n. Dear parents, good. Well done, dear. Well done. Moving on to Ryan. Sorry, dear. N apple nap. Wonderful. Very good. Very good, Ryan. Reza. Reza. Sorry? Minion. Minion. Yes?
Yes.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Move from the chair. Move aside. Move aside. Yes. Is that the word you're saying? Is that the word? Yes. Well done. Very good. So this is Reza and his minions. This is Reza and his minions. Very good, Reza. Sit down. Well done. So moving on with Sarang. Please unmute, Sarang. Sorry?
Pencil.
Pencil, pencil. Very good, pencil. Moving on with Seraphin.
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay.
Nothing.
Seraphin, not just Seraphin. Everybody look at the screen. Okay. In monkey, n sound is not there. Do we have n sound in monkey? The monkey, we have ng sound.
No sound.
This is ng sound. Monkey. Sorry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry? No. This is monkey. Monkey. It's not n sound. In monkey and mango.
Monkey and mango.
It's not n sound. It's ng. Ng. This is ng sound. No n sound. N sound is not there. So yes. So monkey and mango. Monkey and mango. You can. Yes, my dear. My dear. Yes. Yes. Well done. And now listen. For mango and monkey can be used for the sound ng, not n. It doesn't have the sound n. Okay? So Seraphin, give me other words. G. Yes. So Seraphin, give me another word, my dear.
Ink.
Again, my dear, you're saying the words all having ng sound.
Fan.
Okay, this is ng sound in ink. Ink, it's ng, not n. Okay? Ink. It's not ink. Ink, no, it's ink. Yeah. Other word. Huh?
Fan. Fan.
Fan. Very good. Well done. Well done. Fan have n sound. Very good. Moving on to Sriram. Yes. Fan. Yes, Jovak. Ah, I didn't call you. That's why you're so restless, huh? I'll call you now. Moving on to Sriram. Sriram? Yes, give me a word. Yes, give me a word, my dear. Monday. Very good. Monday. Very good. Now, Jovak. Give me a word, Jovak. Very good, Sriram. Smile. Jovak, unmute. Yes, give me a word. Yes, say the word. Touch the mic only once. Touch the mic icon only once. Jovak, listen. Touch. Okay, by the time, Rishikesh, unmute and give me a word.
Nag.
Very good. Nag. Well done. So other than Jovak, yes, I left John Paul. John Paul, unmute and give me a word. John Paul.
Yes.
Yes, give me a word, John Paul. Garden. Very good. And John Paul, when next time, if you're joining your session, no need to specify the division. When you're joining other session, please specify the division, okay? Please specify the division next time when you join other session. Now, well done, John. Moving on to Jovak. Unmute and give me a word. Jovak. Touch the mic icon once. Jovak, touch the mic icon once. Yes, give me the word now. Yes. Touch only once. Yes. Touch the mic only once. Now you're gone. My dear. Okay. Did I leave anyone? Please raise your hand if I didn't call your name. Raise your hand if I didn't call your name. No one, right? So with that, we are winding up the session. Thank you all for joining. See you in the next session. Bye-bye. You all did a wonderful job. Very good.
I love you, Mom.
Very good.
Bye, Mama.
Bye-bye. Bye, dear. Bye.
Bye.